Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Lotus Tiramisu. First, gather your ingredients like mascarpone, heavy cream, and Lotus Biscoff cookies. Brew a strong coffee or espresso. Quickly dip your ladyfingers, ensuring they absorb just enough liquid without becoming soggy. This initial step sets the foundation for a perfect dessert. Next, let's create the luscious cream filling. Whip 16 ounces of heavy cream until it forms soft peaks. Then, gently fold in 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese. Incorporate 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of sugar for a balanced sweetness. This light and airy mixture is crucial for the tiramisu's texture. Now it's time to assemble your dessert. Arrange a layer of your dipped ladyfingers in a 9x 13-inch dish. Spread half of the mascarpone cream mixture evenly over them. Then, crush about 10 to 12 Lotus Biscoff cookies and sprinkle a generous layer over the cream. This adds a delightful crunch and flavor. To finish, repeat the layers, ensuring the top layer is cream. Cover your tiramisu and chill it for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, allowing the flavors to meld. Before serving, dust generously with more crushed Lotus Biscoff cookies for an appealing presentation and extra crunch. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.